Hi guys, sorry I haven't been uploading. It's been 3 weeks since I've uploaded, but I am back now with another test video with some new devices in as well. I've got one new device in, so yeah, and another new device. I think no, just the one. So this is weekly test vlogs back on the channel. So yeah, let's just start with the new device. If you see the message, I do apologise. So here we are, there's the new device. I've got a carbon monoxide alarm. We've got the, sorry about the mess on the kitchen. Got that one there, the smoke alarm. And we've got the heat detector still. As I take you in to the hallway, we've still got that one there, the smoke alarm. We've got that one there, but that one's a part of the building, so I can't be testing that one. And then we're into the bedroom, sorry about the mess again. And then we've got this one here. So yeah, I do apologise about the mess, as I keep saying. So yeah, let's get on to what we are testing. Today we are going to test the carbon monoxide alarm, smoke alarm, heat detector. I'm going to leave this one out. I don't need to test that one. And we are going to test the one in the bedroom. So first we will test the carbon monoxide alarm. Here we go guys, testing the carbon monoxide alarm. There's the carbon monoxide alarm. Any of you that are using headphones, I do advise not to, because this one is very loud. So we'll test this one now. That should be enough. There we go. See if it'll go off again. Is it going to go off again? No. Alright, we'll test the carbon monoxide alarm. And then now we will test the smoke detector, the smoke alarm in the bedroom. Wait a minute. I think that's Thomas. Right, we'll test this one now. If you do hear a smoke alarm in the background, it will be the one in the living room, the one I've just tested. Red light there. There we go. Come on. Turn off, there we go. Wait for that to, will it re-alarm or will it stay off? Let's just get rid of that. There we go. I will just test this one. And there we go. Is this one re-alarmed yet? Nope. So then guys, that has been a little short video of testing the carbon monoxide, testing the smoke alarm in the living room, kitchen, testing the heat detector in the kitchen, and testing the one in the hallway, and testing the one in the bedroom, even though I wasn't going to test the one in the hallway, I've done. So this has been weekly test vlogs, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next test upload. So yeah, I will say bye for now. See you soon guys in the next one.